I've got one thing that I'd like to say this morning. You can be visible, and your ideas are worth sharing. And I see so many people holding back. All you have to do is scroll on LinkedIn, and most of the people who have profiles don't have any video. People are holding themselves back because they think that they won't look professional enough, or they'll say something and that reputation will go out onto the internet and it'll stay there forever and they'll never live it down. When I first started making video, I was working in the music industry, and I got frustrated time and again because I'd shoot a live performance when some beautiful musical event had just happened. And then the artist would come to me afterwards and say, well, you know, I made a few mistakes in there, so I can't let anybody see this video. And I think there's something here that translates for most people. You feel as though if you show up and you're less than perfect, then you shouldn't let yourself be seen. People will relate to you more when they see your imperfect side. If you show yourself as more transparent, as more like a normal human, especially now with all the AI junk going on, this is what people are starving for. This is what people want from you. And when I work with my clients, I make it as easy as possible for you to show up as a regular person, as a regular human being. We sit down, we have an interview, we talk casually, and I will pull out all your best insights. And in just a single hour session, you'll end up with 5 or 6 weeks worth of content. And right now is a good time to do it because most people are taking a marketing break during the month of December, and you could spend 1 hour with me and you'd hit January with 6 weeks of content already done and scheduled for you. Imagine that. If you're interested, just say mic drop in the comments down below and I'll send you all the details.